Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to you in the third lesson in this course, how to read and write Arabic. In the previous two lectures, we talked about how to read and write the names of the letters. Today, I will teach you the shapes of the letters. How do we write the letters inside the words? How do we write the letters at the beginning, at the middle, at the end? All of the students, if they start to learn these shapes, they hate Arabic writing. But I will teach you some tips. If you know them, the writing, it will be easy. No need to know how do we write the shapes of the letters at the beginning or end or middle. Just you need to understand and think a little when you want to write. Okay, that's it. If you focus in this lecture, I'm sure you can write. After this lecture, you will write the letters in all of the shapes without you memorize them. Just you need to, as I said, you need to focus and to understand and think a little. Okay, I have some notes. Note number 1. We have a group of letters. You need to keep them open. I forgot to tell you something. I forgot to tell you you need to memorize the basic shape. Okay? The basic shape, yeah. Please memorize it. Then focus in this lecture. Just, for example, the basic shape for ba, this one. This part, the start point. This one, the end point. This one, if you want to receive a new guest, leave it open. Okay, keep the letter open. For example, this one, ba, you want to connect it with another letter. Keep it open to receive the guest. Okay? I want to write, for example, ba and ha. It's easy. Ba and kha. Okay. The same idea with ba, we have some letters. Ba, ta, tha, ya. Okay, do you remember ya? You need to memorize this shape for ya. Ya like that. And we need this shape if it is in the middle or beginning. Ba, ta, tha, ya, and we have also noon. Noon. This is the basic shape of noon. Okay? If you want to connect it, it will be like that, like them. This is note number 1. Okay. Note number 2. Some letters, if you want to connect them, for example, jim, ha, kha, sad, sin, just you need to keep the head of the letter. The body of the bottom part, you need to drop it. Okay? Just keep the head. For example, with jim, this jim, this is the basic shape. If you want to connect it, just what I said, keep the head. What's the head? This one. Just this part, this body, drop it. Okay? Jim, ha, the same idea. Kha, the same idea. Sin, this is the basic shape. If you want, this is the basic. If you want to connect it, keep it like that. Shin, the same idea. Sad, do you see? Bod. This bottom part, drop it. Okay, just keep the head. Okay, we have another different letter. This shape, this letter, you need to memorize the shapes. No way. This letter is ha. Ha letter. To remember, this is the basic shape. If you want to write ha at the beginning, you need to write it like that. It's acceptable. This is the basic shape. Use it at the beginning. For middle, you can use this shape. Do you see how I write it again? This shape, or infinity shape, like infinity. This one. I prefer the first one like that. I like it. This one. Ha. So this one, these two shapes at the middle. At the end, you need to know this shape with neck. We call this one like neck. Okay, this shape like neck. Okay, and this part to keep to connect any letter from here, from this side. If you can't connect, you need to use this shape. I will tell you when we use this shape and when will we use this shape. So these at the end, these two shapes at the middle, and this one beginning. Okay, so we have 5 shapes for ha. You need to memorize them. No way. Okay. Note number 4. It's very important note. We have 6 letters in Arabic. How many? We have 6 letters. Imagine all of the previous letters, we talked about them, okay? Except these 6 letters, we will talk about them now. The previous letters, for example, ba, you can connect it from the two sides. For example, this is ba, do you remember? You can connect any letter from here or any letter from here. يعني, for example, I can write ba, ta, then I have ba here, then fa, for example. I close the Y because it's the last letter. Why I keep it open? The last letter keep the basic shape. If you want to write the last letter, keep the basic shape. Okay, let's continue. So what I said we have 6 letters. That's 6 letters now. You need to memorize them. And this note is very important in writing. We have dal, zal, ra, za, alif, waw. These letters, just you can connect them from this side. From the right side. طب if any letter after them from the left, what I can do? Just keep a small gap here, okay? And write what do you want here. For example, I want to write ba, okay. Don't connect them from the left side. Yes, if I want to write, for example, ba, da, ra, okay? For example, I want to write ba, zal, okay? Jim, ra, okay? But don't connect, for example, ta here or ba, okay? Don't connect them from the left side. Just if you want to connect them from the right side, it's okay. Thus, until now we talked about 1, 2, 3, 4 notes. You need to memorize them. We have another letter. You need to memorize the shape. The shape of this letter is, this letter is note number 5 is kaf. Do you remember kaf? This shape of kaf. That's only this shape you can use it in shape. I want to connect it at the middle or beginning. What I need to do? Keep it. I imagine like that. Imagine we need to clear this part and put a dash here, like that. Look. I keep the same, okay? But this shape from the inside, clear it and try to put like that. A dash here. So if you want to write kaf, like that. Kaf. Okay? Kaf. At the beginning or middle. That's the lesson for today. If you have any questions, please let me know. From the next lesson, we will start to read some words. Inshallah. See you. مع السلامة.